Hi, in this video I decided to take the aluminum foil bowl challenge that you see all over YouTube. So what I did was I took a sheet of aluminum foil. They're smaller, so I figured it would be much faster. And I started pressing down, and I found that the pressed down balls came out really nice. I mean, for me they're good because I'll just use it for crafting, and with the holidays coming up, I just figured I'd sand it, make it a little bit shiny. I may paint them, but they're perfect for just putting in a bowl or just putting on garland or attaching it to something. But then I tried the hammer, which is what they showed in the videos. And I thought that was a lot of work when pressing it down made it easy. Maybe because I started with a smaller ball than the other people did. So pressing it down was easy. But after a while your hands start to hurt because I wanted to make a few of them. So I hammered in my hand, I hammered on a surface. And you can see I'm not really hammering in this video because I didn't want it. It's early in the morning, I don't want to make any noise. So, but I just wanted to show you that I did hammer, and I'm comparing the one that I hammered to the one that I pressed down. And yes, it's a lot smoother, but it's bigger. I don't know why, but I will show you in a few more clips how. Oh, let me just show you how this looks in a bowl. And you can put some of those glass marbles in the bowl with it. It's pretty. Maybe put some pine cones for Christmas and get your decorations ready. But let me show you another clip where I give you a little bit more information about this. So I showed you how I was sanding it, and I was saying how you could put it on other things. Put it, I have videos where I have corks as garden markers. You could put it on top of the cork, reflect some light. Unlike regular Christmas balls, if you put it outside, they'll start to tarnish. These won't because they're aluminum foil, so it will stay in good condition. So I think that's a good idea if you want to decorate your yard with it and put it outside. And even if it does start to disintegrate, it won't matter because you can just easily replace it. It's affordable. Then I tried it with a cube, a different shape. So I was trying different shapes, and I'm sure other people can try different shapes. So that's just to give you a little bit of a hint on how you can take the DIY aluminum foil bowl challenge and then use it to craft. Thanks for watching.